Now it's time to understand the honor of the Sansad Ratna Awards. The Sansad Ratna Awards was instituted by Prime Point Foundation and the e-magazine Presence to honor top performing parliamentarians on various parameters every year after the budget session. This award was instituted as suggested by Dr. Abdul Kalam to honor the achievers. Incidentally, Dr. Abdul Kalam devoted an entire chapter on the Sansad Ratna Awards in his last book, A Manifesto for Change. A selection committee headed by Sri Anand Rao Vatsul, the fifth-time MP, along with Sri Hansraj Jiyahir, Minister of State and fourth-time MP, and Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal, the second-time MP, selected the award winners. The selection committee members, who are outstanding MPs themselves in terms of the performance in the parliament, were honored with the Sansad Maharatna Awards for their contribution in the 15th Lok Sabha. Now, having understood the honor of the Sansad Ratna Awards, may I request our chief guest, Shri C. Rangarajan Sir, to present the awards. Shri Sivaji Adalrao Patil. He is a second-time Shiv Sena MP from the Shirur constituency of the state of Maharashtra. He participated in 15 debates, introduced 3 private members' bills, and raised 540 questions. His total tally is 558. He attended 68% of the sittings of the House. He has secured the 3rd rank among all MPs in the 16th Lok Sabha. He wins the Sansad Ratna Award under the questions category. He was honored with the Sansad Ratna Award in 2014 too for his performance in the 15th Lok Sabha. Let's witness this moment.
Madam, I'm third-time MP, not second time. Third time.
Okay. So here's a tweak. He's a 3rd-time MP. Thank you, sir. The next proud receiver of the Sansad Ratna Awards is Shri P.P. Chowdhury, sir. He's a first-time BJP MP from the Pali constituency of the state of Rajasthan. He participated in 121 debates, introducing 18 private member bills, raised 394 questions, and has a total tally of 533. He attended 98% of sittings of the House. He secured the 6th rank among all MPs in the 16th Lok Sabha. He wins the Sansad Ratna Awards under 2 categories, debates and private member bills. He was honored with the Sansad Ratna Awards under the 2 categories in 2015 too. The next recipient of this proud Sansad Ratna Award is Shri Rang Appa Barni. He's a first-time Shiv Sena MP from the Mawal constituency in Maharashtra state. He participated in 62 debates, introducing 7 private member bills, raised 543 questions, and has a total tally of 612. He attended 91% of the sittings of the House. He has secured the 1st position among all MPs in the 16th Lok Sabha. He wins the Sansad Ratna Award in recognition of his earning the top position among all the MPs in the overall tally. He was honored with the Sansad Ratna Awards in 2015 too. And the next proud recipient of the Sansad Ratna Award is Dr. Hina Vijay Kumar Gavit. She's a first-time BJP MP for the Nandurbar constituency of Maharashtra. She's one of the youngest MPs in the current Lok Sabha, or maybe the youngest of all. She participated in 12 debates and raised 463 questions and stands with a total tally of 475. She participated in 81% of the sittings of the House. She secured the 16th position among all MPs in the 16th Lok Sabha. She wins the Sansad Mahila Ratna Award for her outstanding performance among all the women MPs. The next recipient of this proud Sansad Ratna Awards is Shri Rajiv Shankar Rao Satav. He is a first-time Indian National Congress MP from the Hingoli constituency in Maharashtra. He participated in 53 debates, introduced 6 private member bills, and has a total tally of 558. He attended 83% of the sittings of the House. He secured the 5th position among all MPs in the 16th Lok Sabha. He wins the Sansad Navodit Ratna Award for his outstanding performance among the first-time MPs. The next proud recipient of the Sansad Ratna Award is Shri P. Rajiv. He is a retired Rajya Sabha MP from Kerala. He served the Rajya Sabha from April 2009 to April 2015. During his tenure, Shri Rajiv participated in 219 debates, introduced 4 private member bills, and raised 792 questions, and has a total tally of 1,015. He attended 84% of the sittings of Rajya Sabha during his tenure. He wins the Sansad Ratna Awards for securing the top position, the total tally, among the MPs who retired in 2015 after completing the full 6-year term. We need to capture this proud moment. So let's have a photo session with all the award winners on the dais. Let's give them a standing ovation.